Now here we are at the Bloomfield boat ramp. Our man has arrived with the boat.
Okay.
We're all going to climb aboard and go on an adventure. Or his own adventure with a girl.
Ian Powell was the bloke.
Going that way.
See if I can get it up to the rock.
Okay.
Can you jump out here? Fast away.
Wait, wait.
I might give him the water so I'd want to.
You want to get in the water?
I'll dig with it.
About my knee. It's okay?
Yeah, I got it.
Don't worry about the gear. Alright, okay.
Careful with this rock, slippery.
Okay. What are you leaving the gear behind, Aaron, for now?
Yeah, I just...
So how is your experience?
That's fine. Got a salt in my left eye. There's a nice tree. Nice tree, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look how long the branch is. That's 40 feet.
Hmm.
Oh. Yeah.
Smooth ride?
It was not bad. So here we are at,
Where?
I've no idea where.
Kanji Bay or something.
Yeah. South of Bloomfield River.
Okay. So that was fun.
And they've got hydro power here.
All right. So what you gonna say with the viewers, ding ding?
Well, viewers, could say ding ding in case I don't get back. We'll be back.
Hi guys, so this is our room here, and yeah, in the bar there's what you call this sound, so I cannot film there. I'll get copyrighted. So this is number 3 here. Number 3. I can't even open the door. Okay, let's get the blood glucose machine. Where is it? Alright, because we're having a pizza. A dinner is pizza. So this is the room looks like. So yep. Okay. And the shower is just over there. That's the shower. And the laundry if you want. And then the coffee. Oops, we like this. The coffee and duba bags here. You can make your own coffee or tea. Just pour a jug. So yeah, this is our room. So I don't know how much for the night, There's a Wi-Fi here, but you cannot have a Wi-Fi connection. This is only for the hotel staff in front. They don't have the, how is this, free Wi-Fi in this hotel. So yeah, so that's the hotel look like. Just accommodation. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a box type over there, down here, and that's the pub in front there. So I'm gonna mute it, and I'm going to let you see what's inside. And it's starting to rain. So this is the hallway there. So the wall is full of vandals. Maybe this is tradition, long time ago. So we are approaching inside, so the thing has its sound inside. So I'll mute it. Mute. So what's you order?
Meat lover and Hawaiian.
Meat lava and Hawaiian. So this is how it looks like. So family size,
Yeah.
jumbo size. Okay.
They brought the flies.
Yeah. You want the water? We got the shred soda. Okay. Start. Bon appetit. I'll get later. It's there. Yeah. Yum yum chups bang. So that's the pizza. Okay. Bon appetit. So hot. Ah. Good. What is that? Cheesecake?
Passion fruit cheesecake and ice cream.
Passion fruit cheesecake and
Ice cream.
ice cream. Lucy. In the middle of the bird. Oh my gulay. Oh, big bull. My gulay. So there's Lucy. There's horses. Oh, maybe you're gonna kick.
That's what I'm banning it. Little.
Yeah.
Yeah, you. Hello.
Lucy.
Got that. Hi, Lucy.
Hey, it's Lucy.
Come on, Lucy.
Hey,
Oh,
he's yelling. Oh.
oh.
See you, mate.
Hi.
Yeah. Ah, we're. Well, good day viewers, here we are on the way home. It was going to be about 8 o'clock arrival home time. I thought we'd come down the coast road for a bit of different scenery, and we just get to the Daintree ferry here. Big line of traffic, and somebody tells us the ferry's broken down, a 2-hour delay. So that means 10 o'clock home tonight. That's if indeed the ferry gets going in the time they promise. So Darren has just gone down to the ferry. I'm going to go for a wander down the road now and see if we can find out what's happening. Not that we can do much about it, but go for a stroll.
So finally, we're moving again. This is our barge.
In 300 meters, continue straight onto Cape Tribulation Road.
We can't continue because it's water dumadag. So that's the view.